What's up, everybody? Welcome back to How It's Done. So on today's episode, we're going to be showing you how to take some wall art like this that lights up via battery and a little switch on the side here. And we're going to make it remote controlled. So I actually picked up a little battery pack that has a couple different functions to it that comes with a remote from Amazon. Most of these, if you go in the back, there's going to be a little panel or a little door that you can open. This one's magnetically sealed, so it's a little bit normally, battery pack's glued on the back. It actually looks like it came loose in transit, but yeah, let's see if I can get this out of there. Yeah, so the glue just came loose in transit, but battery pack will sit here. Door opens and closes. You swap out the batteries. So we're going to be replacing this battery pack with this one that's controlled by the remote. So the on-off switch is going to be kind of like an override, and yeah, pretty simple. Just take the two red wires here, cut those loose, splice this in. You could use some heat shrink tubing to do that, or some small wire nuts. I'm actually going to use some crimp connections. So yeah, I'll show you how that's done. All right, so I've got the wires twisted together there because I do want to check and make sure that the polarity is right. I don't know that it necessarily matters, but anytime I'm dealing with something that's DC, I want to check polarity before I make the corrections final. So got the little remote here. We'll turn it on. And it looks like it works. They're flashing, so we'll turn it to solid on. Good. So the remote is working. Polarity is right. We'll go ahead and put these little crimp connectors on there and get this put back together. I don't know if the remote is going to be able to make contact with this on the inside. So I'm going to try putting it inside and closing the door first before I glue it on the inside of the door. Otherwise, I may have to use hot glue and glue it on the outside of the door in the back, just so it can pick up the signal from the remote. Sometimes these metal casings will act as a Faraday cage and prevent the signal from getting in. So we'll see. Okay, I've got these rewired. They work off the single remote and have a couple different modes you can set. So yeah,